strikes where our dreams collide. Silence screams in the midnight air, a haunting melody of despair. The wind howls like a voice long gone, crying for the days we could lean upon. Dreams shattered like glass on the floor, each fragment a memory I can't ignore. Ashes of love scattered in the rain, yet I rise from the depths of this pain.